What is the steel pipe? Tube or pipes are straight seams electric resistance welded pipe. In brief, the pipe, which is a round pipe welded by steel plates. It uses to transport vapor and liquid objects such as oil and natural gas. Electric resistance welding refers to a group of welding processes such as spot welding and seam welding. Fang surfaces where heat to form the weld is borne by the electrical resistance of material combined with the time and the force used to hold the materials together during welding. In general, resistance welding methods are efficient and cause little pollution. However, their applications limited to relatively thin materials. Electrical resistance welding. The manufacturing pipe mill process, or high-frequency ERW pipe mill production line, generally involves the following stages in a step-by-step procedure: slitting, uncoiling, forming, welding, beating, seam annealing, sizing, cutting, galvanizing, zinc spray. Slitting, coils slit to predetermined widths for each size of pipes. Uncoiling, the slitted coil uncoils at the entry of the tube mill line and the ends shear and weld one after another. LOTOS is able to offer the largest range of decoilers from manual to fully automatic, according to a range of strip widths and thicknesses. Accumulator. The main action of the accumulator is to accumulate a steel strip to keep continuously and automatically production in the welding pipeline. Forming machine. The slitted coils are formed into a cylindrical shape with open edges utilizing a series of forming rolls. Welding. In this stage, the open edges heat to the forging temperature through high frequency, low voltage, high current and press welded by forge rolls, making perfect and strong. Sizing. After water quenching, a little decrease applies to pipes with sizing rolls. This results in producing the desirable precise outside diameter. Advantages: high-frequency ERW pipe mill production line. 1. High production efficiency. 2. The machine works stably at a high speed, which improves the yielding of products. 3. Low wastage. 4. High accuracy. 5. One of the advantages of the ERW tube is that no fusion metals use, and the weld seam cannot be seen or felt. Electric resistance welding tube mill is used for low-pressure fluid transmission, machinery manufacturing, electric power engineering, etc. LF19-76 High-Frequency Tube Mill Production Line High-Frequency Straight Seam Pipe Making Machine ERW Tube Mill Line is designed to produce welded pipes of 19mm 76mm O.D of round pipe and round pipe 0.6mm 2.5mm, square pipe 2mm in wall thickness. Choose us. You do not only get the tube mill line from us, but you also get technology from us. LOTOS selects the best welding method for customers from high-frequency welding, TIG welding, plasma welding, and laser welding depending on the usage, welding requirements, and production efficiency. You can contact us with email, WhatsApp, Wicket, Telegram and so on. Don't forget subscribe us.